In this video, we are going to see the demonstration of MTO Generator, which is a STAAD add-on program that will generate material takeoff from the selected STAAD beams. So, before moving to the demonstration, let me discuss the key features and the best use cases for this particular application. Moving to the key features, firstly, this program seamlessly determines the bill of material from the STAAD model irrespective of how large it is. Say like your model is around 5000 or 10,000 members. It will take the takeoff within 5 to 10 seconds. And secondly, it supports all beams, channels, angles. Channels and angles in the sense it will support both double and single channel and angle, like channel front to front, back to back, double angles, and tubes, pipes, build-up tube sections for all section libraries which is present in STAAD. Next, it is capable of extracting the individual plate weights for tapered dissections. So this is the key feature of MTO Generator because this particular feature is absent in STAAD. STAAD cannot calculate the individual plate weight of a tapered dissection. And this is the original reason that I prepared this particular program. And from there later on I just added other sections like beams, channels, angles, tubes and so on so. But getting the weight of a tapered dissection is a key feature because like we don't have that particular thing in STAAD. And also like it will take the built up tube weights as well. So like if you're going to prepare a heavy tubular section like square or rectangular tubes, you have to make it with plates, right? For that also like it will take the built up plate weights. And finally, it supports different beam sections with all the types from single beam to beam with top and bottom cover plates. And this is one additional feature. There is an option in STAAD to apply a beam with top and bottom cover plates. In that case, the program is capable of extracting the beam weight and plate weight separately. And the best use cases for these application is it can be used in scenarios where like we are in an immediate requirement for the tonnage or like the plate summary, so that like we have to block the raw materials since the prices were already going up in the market. In this scenario, if in a conventional way, like if you want to extract the plate weight, the only way to do that is to do manually. For a 50 or 100 metric ton building, it would be easy to do a manual calculation. Hardly it might take some 30 or 40 minutes, but like it is worth it for 50 or 100 metric ton. Say for 2000 or 3000 metric ton building, like it is really hard to extract those plate weights. And this MTO generator would be very much useful for such a huge project. And secondly, it can be used in design stage to check the weights instantly to compare with the previous result. Say for example, you are analyzing a frame. So like if you want to, if it is a 3D frame, it will take some more time, right? Say some 5 or 10 minutes considering the complexity of the frame and the type of analysis which we are doing. Say like if you forgot to put or like forgot to add a still takeoff for certain members, all you have to do is like you have to rerun the analysis to get those weights. And thanks to the MTO generator, we don't have to do that again. So at any stage of a design, if you have a member, you can just select that member and you can extract the weight. And the third, it is flexible to choose members of our choice and get the results within seconds. Yeah, it is. Say for example, like in a STAAD model, if you change a single section, say some single strut tube, it will automatically erase the STAAD output. You have to rerun the analysis for taking the weight of the whole structure. In our case, it is not like that. So like whatever we are doing is before pre-processing. So all the information which is required to extract the weight are in the model itself. So the MTO generator has a flexibility to choose members of our choice. So whatever members we want, we can just select those members alone. Just take the weight by clicking a button. And finally, It is capable of extracting the separate weights of beam element with top and bottom core plates. Yes, in the key features, as I said earlier, it is the same. So, without further ado, let us move on to the demonstration. For the demonstration purpose, let me use this particular 3D model. It is around some 325 metric tons. Yeah, okay. Say for example, if I want to take the complete weight of this building, all I have to do is select the entire building, open MTO Generator, just press extract, and that's it. It hardly took 2 seconds. That's all. You will get the entire summary list of the building in your hand within 2 seconds. So this is plate section, which is 6 mm thick, and it is around 98 metric ton. 8 mm thick, 12 mm thick, 16. And apart from the plate sections, I have used CHS sections for bracings and structures in this building. So it is 139, 165, 114. So these are the different sections I have used. See, it is very simple. So you have got these informations over here. What if you want to share this to your client or your fellow teammates? All you have to do is go to file, and first of all, this is summary table and this is detailed material takeoff table. This summary table will have the plate section wise classification. In the detail table, it will have all the member details. Say for example, starting from member 1 till member 6506. So it has the information of each and every member, its length, width, thickness, or a plate section, or the member section which we are using, its quantity, its unit weight, and the total weight in kgs. So this is a detailed table. If you want to get or record these detailed table for some reason, you can do it. You can save the file, save the detailed table, or otherwise for the summary, all you have to do is go to file, save summary table, for which here I will save it in the desktop. Save summary. Yeah, it has been saved. Next, if you want to save the detailed table, save detailed table, detailed. That's all. All you have to do is go to desktop, open the summary. We have got our plate summary over here. Simple, right? So this is for the entire structure. Say for example, you just want to take only the mezzanine beams and joist weight. So simple. All you have to do is you have to select those members. That's all. So I'm selecting the mezzanine portions alone, leaving the wind column and portal bracing members. Yeah, that's it. Going to MTO Generator, I will clear this table. You don't have to, it is not mandatory to clear the table. If you are clearing, it is fine. Just extract. The mezzanine weight alone is 138 metric ton. Yeah, it is pretty fast. So if you are doing some, if you want to take the weight of bracings alone, how we can take, we can go here, check the tension only members. So I have chosen all the bracing members. All I have to do is open MTO Generator, then extract it. Yeah, that's it. I just used one particular section for bracing. It is 15.82 metric tons in weight. See, it is simple. And the best case is it will support the program supports all the sections starting from American, Brazilian, British, European, Indian, Jindal, Tata Structura, everything, excluding the solid rounds. It will not take weight of this solid rounds, and it will not take the weight of any cold form sections. Other than that, the MTO Generator will support all the sections. Earlier, I was talking about beam with top and bottom cover plates, right? Say for example, if you are choosing a beam like this UB914, top cover plate, bottom cover plate, top and bottom cover plate. Corporate width I'm providing as 300, corporate thickness 20, bottom corporate 0.4, say 0.3, 30 mm, like that. I'm just adding this section. Let me add it to some members in this region assigned to selected members. That's all. All I have to do is like I'm just randomly selecting a piece of members, going to MTO Generator, just pressing extract. You could see the UB914 section over here and its plate weights PL30, PL25. If you want to specifically see these values alone, let me choose that particular property. Those things would be selected. From there, let me clear the table, extract it. Simple, right? You get all these weights in just a single click. And that's the best part of it. Hope you like the demonstration. And that's all for MTO Generator program. Yeah, thank you.